Hello, dear students. Very good morning to you all. In today's class, I continue the same topic named C tokens. In the last class, I taught you what are C tokens, what are keywords, what are identifiers, rules for defining identifiers also we studied in the last class. If you didn't see my last lecture video on C tokens, I request you to watch that lecture video. Then I request you to watch this lecture video so that you can get the continuity. Okay, thank you. In today's class, I teach you the remaining 4 types of C tokens: constants, operators, strings, special symbols. Already we discussed about keywords and identifiers. C tokens are without C tokens we cannot write the C program, as you know already. Look at any of the C program. In every C program we find C tokens only. In every program keywords will be there. In every program identifiers will be there. In every program constants will be there. In most of the without operators we cannot write the programs at all, because without operators we cannot solve the problems. And strings also we need. Without symbols you cannot imagine the C program, because symbols will be there. Okay, very good. But in today's class, first we start with constants. Okay, let us begin. What are constants? For example, see these programming examples. Here 3.142 is a constant. This is a C program to find area of circle. And how to write the C program to find area of circle? We know the formula, pi r square. 3.142 is a literal constant. 3.142 is a literal constant. Pi is a symbolic constant. Now we read the radius, and once we read the radius, pi r square we calculate. Wherever we write pi in capital, machine substitutes this value, pi r square. Means I have solved the problem by using the constant named 3.142. Okay. Like this we use n number of constants while solving problems, while writing computer programs. This is what we studied in the last class, no need to worry. Okay, come back. Now for example, what are constants? The value that remains as it is. The value that remains as it is during program run is called constant. While writing computer programs we use different types of constants to solve problems. For example, we discuss. Okay, let us discuss area of circle. Okay, how do you calculate area of circle? 3.142 into radius into radius. In this expression, 3.142 is the example for float type of value, float type of constant. Which type of constant? Float type of constant, or real number, or this is also called as real number. For example, one more example, convert the temperature reading from Fahrenheit to Celsius. Celsius equals to 5 divided by 9 into F minus 32. This formula we use. Now this expression will convert the entered Fahrenheit into Celsius. In this expression also we used how many constants? 5 is a constant, 9 is a constant, 32 is a constant. 5 is integer type of constant, 5 is integer type, 9 is integer type of constant, and 32 is integer type of constant. Okay, means while solving problems by using computers, programmers will write the programs. To write programs they use constants. One more example, area of triangle. Area of triangle by reading breadth and height, 1 divided by 2 into breadth into height. Here 1 is a constant, 2 is a constant, or you can write like this also, 0.5 into b into h. Within all these expressions you can find constants. Okay, now by looking at all these examples we can say like this, 3.142 is a constant, 5 is a constant, and 0.5 is also a constant. These are all constants. Then what are constants? The values that will not change at all, that will not change at all, and during program run are called constants. Oh, very good. Then how many types of constants are there? How many types of constants are there? There are two types of constants. You can see here, you can see this image. There are two types of constants: numerical constants and character constants. Numerical means that might be integer constant, that might be real constant. Character constant means that might be character constant, single character constant, or string constant. Example for integer constants. Examples for integer constants are nothing but 10, 20, 5, etc. Example for real constants. Real means numbers with fractional part, 3.142. Okay. Next 0.005. Next 5.009. These are all real constants, means floating point numbers. Character constants in single letter, in single quote A, this is single character. In single quote T, okay. In single quote 7, okay. In single quote white space, okay. In single quote small y, okay. In single quote capital Y, okay. These are all single character constants. These are all called single character constants. A string means what? Okay, string means for example, in double quote VTU, this is a string. In double quote I write for example, in double quote Belgavi, okay, this is a string. In double quote I write 2021, this is a string constant. In double quote I write answer equals to, this is a string constant. In double quote I write enter two numbers, this is a constant. In double quote I write a, this is a string constant. Okay, that is what the difference. In single quote if you write a, this is a single character constant, this is single character constant. If you write in double quote, this is called as a string constant. There is a difference, string constant. Now if you write in single quote, in computer's memory only a will be stored, but if you write in double quote, a will be stored, in the next memory null will be stored. This is what the string, because each string ends with null value. Each string ends with null value. That means that is what the difference between this a and this a. If you write in double quote, that will be treated as string by machine. If you write in single quote, that will be treated as single character constant. That is what the difference. Most commonly asked questions during interview or computer programming lab, viva versa. What is the difference between this and the second one? Sir, first one is single character constant, sir. Second one is the string constant. And as I told in my previous lecture videos, strings means words, okay, in generic to understand, or sentence, okay. In Kannada we call shabda or vakya, that is what the string. And character means akshara. What do you mean by character? Single letter. Single letter means one akshara, okay. That is what you need to understand in your own regional language. Character means just one letter, okay. But string means two or more letters, more letters, okay. That is what the difference between character and constant. That means constants are classified into how many types? Numerical constants and non-numerical constants. And numerical constants means that might be integer type, that might be float type, that means real constants, that might be single character constants, or that might be string constants. So constants are classified into two types, numerical and non-numerical constants. In VTU main exam, if you draw this tree and if you give examples like this, you get very good marks. But before drawing this tree and before writing these examples, I request you to explain. I request you to explain like this. What are constants? The value that remains as it is during program run is called constant. While writing computer programs, we use different types of constant to solve problems, and afterwards you can give some examples. And the student who explains like this, he or she gets good marks. All of you are very intelligent student. First spend time to understand, then you need less time to write. Oh, very good. Then instead of drawing this diagram, one of the student has written like this. This is also fine. Types of constants: numerical constants and non-numerical constants. With the numerical, integer constants and floating numbers. In non-numerical constants, single character constants and string constants. One student is writing in this way, one more student writes like that. Both the answers are right. And now we discuss integer constants. In integer, again three types you can say. Not only three types, many more are there, but we discuss only three. Decimal integers are there, octal integers are there, hexadecimal integers are there. Okay, we discuss all the three. And decimal integers means you can see here. In our everyday routine life, we use decimal numbers. 0 to 9 symbols we use. 0 to 9 we use. Means 10 symbols we use. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After 9 again 0 should come. But first 0 and this 0 both will become same. That's for next symbol 1 we stored here and we called it as a 10. Then this 1 as it is left side, we increased the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. There is no end for this number system. After 9 0, after 1 2 we called this one as 20. Then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After 2 3. There is no end for this number system. Decimal number system. These are all decimal integers. These are all constants we use while writing computer programs. Computers knows only zeros and ones. And first one is 0, second one is 1. Afterwards there is no numbers at all. Next 0 should come, but both will become same. Next symbol we kept at the left side, we called it as 1 0. 0 1 1 0, then 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1. But it is very difficult for us to say this number system now. But one easy method is there, that one I share with you. Okay. From number system only, from our number system. Which one is ours number system? Decimal number system is ours. In our daily routine life we use. From our number system, pick only those numbers in which only zeros and ones will come. From our number system, pick only those numbers in which only 0 and 1 is there. See here, this 0, okay, 1 1. Don't take 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, but take the 10. Why we take the 10? Because 10 means what? 1 and 0 combination is there. Next 0 1 you take, okay. See here, 0 1, then we have taken 10. Then we need to take 11 also. Why we take 11? Because there is a combination of 0 and 1. 0 1 we have taken, 10 we have taken, 11. Next, don't take up to 99. After 99 what will come? Can you tell me? After 900. 100 means there are combinations of only zeros and ones. After 100, 101 we take combinations of zeros and ones. After 101 we take 110. That is combination of only zeros and ones. Then 111. Once you take 111, don't take up to 999. Take the directly 1000. If you take 1000, next 1001, next 1010, next 1011, next 1100. Next again. Means what you have to remember? Just you have to remember 0, 1, 10, 11. If you remember 0, 1, 10, 11, just pick those numbers. That will be the binary number system. That is what the computer system knows. That is what the machine knows. Machine knows language is binary number system. Then after 1100, then 1100, 1101, 1110, 1110, 1111. Afterwards don't take up to 9999. Take directly 10,000. After 10,000, 10,001, then 10,010, then 10,011, next 10,100, 10,000 101, 10,000 110, next 10,000 111, 10,000 11,000. I hope no end for this number system also. This is what the binary equivalent of so and so. What is the binary equivalent of 22? This is what the binary equivalent of 22. What is the binary equivalent of 27? This is what the binary equivalent of 27. This is what we call binary number system. Octal numbers means we use 0 to 7 numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We use how many symbols? We use 8 symbols. Okay. Octal means we use how many symbols? 8 symbols we use. 0 to 7. 0 to 7 we use 8 symbols. After 7 again 0 will come, but both will become same. That's why we store 1. Then after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. After 17, 20. Then after 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. After 27, 30. Then 37, 40, 47, 50, 57, 60. No end for it. But how do you differentiate the decimal numbers and octal numbers? If both are 3 only, confusion for us. That's why all octal numbers are preceded by 0. Simply 3 means decimal number. 03 means octal. Like this machine will understand. If you write simply 3, machine will understand that is decimal. But if you write 03, machine will understand that this is octal, computer system. If you write simply 7, that is 7 for computer. But if you write 07, computer system will come to know that is octal. That's why all octal numbers are preceded by 0 in computers. Okay. Hexadecimal. Hexadecimal systems will make use of 16 symbols. 0 to 9 and A to F. A to F, A, B, C, D, E, F. Totally 16. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After 9, A we need to take. A, then B, C, D, E, F. After F, 0 should come. And next symbol 1 we stored and we called it as 10. 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B, C, D, E, F, 10. Then up to 19 we move. After 19, 1A. After 1A, 1B. 1C, 1D, 1E, 1F. After 1F, 20, 29. After 29, 2A, 2F, 30, 39. After 39, can you tell me? After 39, 3A, 3F, 40, 49, 40. This is what we call hexadecimal number system. But how the machine will identify 5 means simply decimal or octal or hexadecimal. So hexadecimal numbers are preceded by 0x. Okay, oh, 0x is there, then that is hexa. 0 is there, then that is octal. No 0, no 0x, that is decimal. Like this machine will identify. I hope everyone has understood. Very good. And this is what all about the different types of constants. Decimal integers 0 to 9 symbols we use. Octal integers 0 to 7. Hexadecimal 0 to 9 and A to F. If you write these things, evaluator will be more happier. Some students will write this table also. Oh my god, evaluator will be more happier on you. And but time will be less for you in exam. How do you cover the time is very important for you. Manage the time. Okay, thank you. And you can explain like this. And floating point numbers, just only we discussed. You can give the examples for floating point numbers. 3.142. Okay, 3.142. Next 0.003. Okay, you can give many examples. And single character constants, just only we discussed. In single quote A, in single quote white space, in single quote 7, in single quote Z, in single quote Y, in single quote plus, in single quote minus. These are all single character constants. String constants, whatever we write in double quote, VTU Belgaumi, Silicon City, enter 2 numbers, John Henry, 2021, my number, my mobile phone number, my email ID, etc. Your USN number. You can write your university number also. That is also string. For example, in double quote, I write 2BL and 21 CS 001. University number is also a string, and your name is also a string, your city name. All these are examples for string. In exam, while explaining constants, the student who explains what are constants, the student who will list out the types of constants with examples, and if you write these things and if you write these things, this tree value, it will be more happier. You get out of out marks in exam. Thank you. This is what all about the constants, C tokens. Next we discuss strings. And without strings also we cannot write the C program. Yeah, it is true, because we need to display the messages, no, like enter two numbers, addition is, sometimes we have to read the string. What is string? Just only I told you, string means in Kannada we call shabda. Okay, string means what? What is string? String means word or sentence. Okay, shabda and vakya. Okay, just only I told you. Character means akshara, single letter, one letter. Single letter is a character. You need to know the difference. And strings we write in double quote. This is called double quotes. How to pronounce, you need to know. Double quotes. Okay. Single characters we write in single quote. How to pronounce single quote? Okay, single quote. Okay, and this is what character constant. This is what the string constant. In computer's memory, A as well as null value will be stored. But in this case, only the letter A will be stored. In most of the interview, most commonly asked question, A, single quote A and double quote A. What is the difference between these three? Can you tell me now? What is the difference between these three? First one is the identifier, name of different programming element. Any name, variable name, array name, structure name, union name, identifier. Second one is the single character constant. Second one is the single character constant. Okay. What is the third one? String constant. Third one is string constant. Oh, very good. You are clever. You may get the job. Like that, many questions will be asked during your interview process before you get placed in companies. That's why you need to be thorough with the basics and theory part, so that you can do well in interviews, so that bright future is waiting for you. Okay, like that, spend time to understand, then you need less time to write it back. Thank you. Come back. Then what is string? Look at this example. John Henry. John Henry is a string. I have written in double quote. String can be defined as sequence of characters. For example, VTU, comma, okay, VTU, Belagavi, okay, then BLD is CET, Vijaypur, okay. These are all strings, sequence of characters enclosed in double quotes, Strings can be defined as a sequence of characters enclosed in double quotes. It will be treated as single data element by computer system. It will be treated as a single data. VTU Belgaum is a single data element for computer. Each string by default ends with null value, as I explained you. And now if you store John Henry like this, how that ends? That ends with null value. Char name of 25. This is array. Name of 25 is a array. Okay, you can see I explained to you. At once I allocated how many memories? 25 memories I allocated. At once I allocated how many memories? 25 memories. To all the 25 memories I have given the same name as name. Char name of 25 means what? This is one dimensional character array. I allocated 25 memories. To all 25 memories I have given single name as name. Then how do you differentiate the memories? With different index value, subscript value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till 29. What is the name of first memory? Name of 0. Name of second one? Name of 1. Name of 2. Name of 3. Name of 4. Where J is stored? In name of 0. Where O is stored? In name of 1. Where H is stored? Name of 2. This is what we call array. Each string by default ends with null value. This is what we call null value. That point we have written here. It will be treated as single data element by computer system. Each string ends with null value by default. If you write like this and if you give, this is a string variable. You can call it as a character array or string variable. If you give the example like this, value will be happy. I want to store my college name. char college of 50 equal to BLD CET Vijaypur. I want to store my USN number. Char USN of 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 extra for null value. USN of 10 equals to so. Character book name, book underscore name of under C programming for problem solving. These are all string variables. These are all string constants. We store these things in variable. And if you write like this for strings, it is more than sufficient. Anyhow, we study strings in detail in forthcoming modules. Thank you. And then next one is special symbols. Before studying operators, we discuss special symbols, C tokens. And look at any of C program. Look at any of the C program. In every C program, we find symbols. In every program, see here. This is a C program. C program to read and display student name. Char name of 25 is a string variable or character array. Enter your name. Getters is the built-in function. It helps us to read string. If I enter John, John will be stored in the name. You can enter John Henry also. If you enter John Henry, John Henry will be stored in name string variable. Dear percentages, nice to meet you. That means dear John Henry, nice to meet you. This is what the output. To write this program, we use symbols, no? Hash, angle bracket, opening and closing parenthesis, curly braces, square brackets, semicolon, double quote. These are all special symbols. Whether can you write C programs without symbols? No, we cannot C programs. We cannot write the C programs without special symbols. So special symbols are C tokens. In order to write C programs, programmers means we are all programmers. Programmers will make the use of n number of special symbols. They are as follows. Hash we use, pound sign or hash. It is called as pound or hash sign. Angle brackets, we type the header files. Opening bracket and closing curly braces for main function. Square brackets to define the arrays. Opening and closing parentheses for printf and scanf. Address of a variable, ampersand, single quote, double quote, colon, semicolon, pipe symbol, caret or tilde, dot. Like this we use a number of symbols. In exam, if you write these many or some more, evaluator will be happy. This is what all about special symbols. And one more C token is important one. Operators. Okay. What is an operator? See here. Plus, minus, multiplication, division, mod. These are arithmetical operators. Less than equals to, greater than equals to, double equals to, not equals to. These are relational operators. Okay. These will help us to perform arithmetical calculations. These helps us to find the relations between two quantities or two variables. Logical AND helps us to combine two or more expressions. You and me and you. Okay. We studied in detail, no problem. What is an operator? Operator is a symbol. Look at this example. Operator is a symbol. 10. Now 10 plus 2 how much? 12. 10 minus 2 how much? 8. 10 divided by 2 how much? 5. 10 into 2 how much? 20. If you look at the symbol, you decide the operation. Okay. Now I ask you, what is the answer? Now can you tell me? Sir, what is this question? This is not correct question, sir. Oh, correct, you are right. Now can you tell me the answer? Oh, sir, 12. Now can you tell me? Yeah, sir, answer is 8, sir. Oh, very good. Actually 10 is operand 1. Actually within 10 plus 2, 10 is operand. 10 is operand 1. Okay. Plus is operator. Operator. 2 is what? Operand 2. 2 is operand 2. Now one question to you. What is operator? Okay. What is operator? Operator can be defined as a symbol. What is operator? Operator is a symbol. It tells me, sir. It tells me. You can write like this. Or it tells. It tells about what? It tells about the operation. Which operation to be performed? it tells about the operation to be performed with operands. That is what we call operator, sir. Oh, nice, very good, nice answer. It tells about the operation to be performed with operands, sir. That is what we call an operator. Oh, very good. What is an operator? Operator can be defined as a symbol that tells me or that tells about the operation to be performed with operands. Now continue the answer. Proper sequence of operators and operands. Proper sequence of operators and operands will make what? An expression. Will make an expression. That expression we use to process the data. Expression helps us to process what? Raw data to get desired result. Oh, this is what, sir? Yeah, it is true. Then what is an operator? Operator can be defined as a symbol. That specifies about the operation to be performed with operands. This is what we call operator. The proper sequence of operators and operands will make an mathematical expression. The mathematical expression helps to process raw data to get desired results while writing computer programs. Oh, very nice. Okay. Then how many types of operators? Actually, many are there, but here we restrict our study for 3 types of operators: unary operators, binary operators, and ternary or tertiary operators. And what are unary? The operator that can be used with only one value. The operator that can be used with only one operand are called unary operators. The operators that can be used with 2 operands. Okay. Operators that can be used with 2 values: 10 plus 2, 10 minus 2, 10 into 2, 10 by 2, 10 mod 2, 10 less than 2, 10 less than equals to 2, 10 greater than 2, 10 greater than equals to 2, 10 equals to 2, 10 not equals to 2, 10 9 2, 10 not 2. We are using 2 values. All arithmetical operators are binary operators. By means 2, binary. Oh, we need 2 values. Oh, very good. The operators that makes use of 2 operands are called binary operators. You are working with only one I plus plus. I plus plus means what? I equals to I plus 1. I plus plus means what? I plus plus means what, do you know? I equals to I plus 1. See here, unary operator, increment operator, we use it only one variable, decrement operator, logical not, dereference operator to define pointers, and ampersand a, minus sign, size of. We use all these things with only one operand. That's why unary operator. First we discuss about unary, next we discuss about binary, next we discuss about ternary. Let us discuss about unary in detail. Okay. The operators that can be used with only one operand are called unary operators. Examples: increment operator and decrement operator, minus sign, ampersand, dereference, logical not, size of. All these things you can use with only one value, one operand. Look at the example. Increment operator will add only one. It will not add 2 or 3 or more. It will add only 1. Oh, nice. To given operand. See the example. Int n equals to 5. In the n, 5 is there. What is there in n? 5 is there. N plus plus means what, do you know? N plus plus means n equals to n plus 1. That means to the previous value of n, 1 will be added. What is the previous value of n now? 5. 5 plus 1 how much? 6. Now n has become 6. Instead of writing like this, we write like this, n plus plus. N plus plus means n equals to n plus 1. Therefore n equals to 6. This is what increment operator. Decrement operator will subtract. Decrement operator will subtract only one from given operand. Int n equals to 5. What is the value of n? Value of n is 5. N minus minus means n equals to n minus 1. From the previous value 1 will be deducted. That means it becomes 4. Therefore n equals to 4. These are all unary operators. N plus plus, n minus minus. See the programming example. This is a C program to print 1 to 10 numbers. Just I is one variable, no value at all. It will print the message numbers 1 to 10. For, this is what the for loop. It is having 3 expressions. First one, second, third. Okay, this is first expression. This is second. This is third. This first expression works for the first time only once. Means 1 will be stored in I. Then second one works. 1 less than equals to 10, true. True means this body works. 1 will be printed. Once the body works, I plus plus. Means 1 becomes 2. I equals to I plus 1. 1 plus 1 how much? 2. 2 less than equals to 10? Yes, 2 is printed. 1 is printed, 2 is printed. I plus plus, it becomes 3. 3 less than equals to 10. 3 will be printed. I plus plus 4. I plus plus 5. I plus plus 6. I plus plus 7. I plus plus 9. I plus plus 10. 10 less than equals to 10? Yes, 10 is not less than 10, but it is equals to 10. 10 will be printed. Then I becomes 11. I becomes 11. 11 less than equals to 10? No. Program is over. Means in such situations we use I plus plus. Okay. See this one. It will print the numbers in descending order 10 to 1. First time numbers 10 to 1. I is a variable. Inside the I 10 is stored. 10 is more than or equals to 1? Yes. 10 is printed. I minus minus. From 10 1 will be removed. 9. 9 is more than equals to 1? Yeah. 8. 7. 1 we are deducting. Subtracting 1. 3 is greater than equals to 1? Yes. 2 is greater than equals to 1? Yes. 1 is greater than equals to 1? Yes. 1 is printed. 1 minus 1 0. 0 is greater than equals to 1? No. For loop stops. Loop means it repeats this work. Repeatedly it will do the work. If this condition is true, it repeats. First one works, second one works, second is true, body, third. 1, first, second, true, body, third, second, true, body, third, second, true, body, third, second, true, body, third, second, false, completes. If the second is true, it repeats. First one works only once. Okay, afterwards I will teach you in the forthcoming lecture videos. Don't worry. Logical NOT will change the state from true to false and false to true. It will change the state from true to false and false to true. Int n equals to 0. N is having 0. Answer is not having anything. Answer equals to not n. 0 will be converted into 1. Answer equals to 1. Int n is having 1. Answer. Answer equals to not n. 1 changes to 0. Int n equals to 7. For computer system, other than 0, all are true. Number 7 is a true for machine. Int answer. Afterwards what I do? Answer int answer. Okay. Here what I do? Here only I write answer. Then here I write answer equals to not n. Answer equals to not n. Not 7. Not 7. 7 is a true. Not 7 means 0. 0 will be stored. Okay. This is what logical not. Next one is binary operators. The operators that can be used with 2 operands. Operator that can be used with 2 operands are called binary operators. Multiplication 10 into 2. Division 10 by 2. Modulus 10 by 10 mod 2. Division will give us the quotient. It gives quotient after division operation. 2 5s are 10. 5 is a quotient. Remainder is 0. Divided by will give us the quotient. Modulus returns remainder after division operation. 2 5s are 10. 5 is a quotient. 0 is the remainder. It gives the remainder. 10 plus 2 12. 10 minus 2 8. These are binary operators. Okay. Relational operators are also binary operators. Less than or equals to, greater than or equals to, double equals to, not equals to. 5 is less than 5? No, 5 is not less than 5. False. 5 is lesser than or equals to 5? 5 is not lesser than, but it is equals to 5. True. 5 is greater than 5? No. 5 is greater than or equals to 5. 5 is not greater than, but it is equals to 5. True. 5 is equivalent to 5? Yeah. 5 is not equals to 5? No sir, 5 is equals to 5 sir. That's what is false. Okay, these are all binary operators. Last one, ternary operator. Ternary means what? Do you know? Two operators. Ternary means two operators, three operands. Oh my god. How many operands? Three operands. Three operands, two operators. Question mark is one operator. Colon is one operator. How many operators? Two operators. How many operands? This is first operand. This is second operand. This is third operand. Three values, two operators. That's what is called as ternary. Okay, that is what unary. Unary operator means what? Only one operand. Binary operators means what? Two operands. Ternary means what? Three operands. Unicycle, one wheel is there. Bicycle, two wheels are there. Okay. Tricycle, three wheels, auto rickshaw. Unicycle, bicycle, tricycle. One operand, two operands, three operands. Like that. Analogy examples. Okay, no problem. I hope you understood. It makes use of two operators, question mark and colon, and three operands to take two-way decisions. Its working is similar to if-else statement in C. I explained to you. Don't worry. I explained to you. Please don't worry. Just listen to me with concentration. Thank you for watching this lecture video. Okay. You can share my videos with your friends. And write the comments. Please write the comments so that I can improve. Okay. I hope my channel is helpful to you. Please reply. I will be happier. Thank you. Come back. Conditional operator. You see the example first. See the example. How this works. Expression 1 will be checked by machine. Machine will check the expression 1 for true or false. Machine will check it for true or false. If it is true, this works. If the expression 1 is true, this works. If expression 1 is false, this works. Means either 2 works or either 2 works or 3 works. Any one of them works. At what time this part works? If it is true. If it is true, this works. If it is false, that works. Means both are not working. Any one of them will work. Look at the example. Write a C program to find largest of two numbers. Okay, write a C program to find largest of two numbers using conditional operator. Enter two numbers. Okay, I entered 10 and 5. 10 will be stored in A, 5 will be stored in B. A is nothing but 10, B is nothing but 5. 10 is greater than 5. Yes, this is expression 1. A greater than B. A is expression 2. B is expression 3. Question mark colon conditional operator. If A is greater than B, A will be given back. If A is not greater than B, B will be given back. Either A it returns or B returns. Any one of them will be returned. Now as per the inputs, 10 is more than 5. Yes, 10 is more than 5. Means A will be given back. Means 10 will be given. Now answer is saying 10. Largest number is 10. Hash include h, wide min. We need three variables A, B and answer, and enter two numbers. Enter two numbers 10 and 5. 10 is greater than 5. Yes, 10 will be given back. Largest number is 10. This is the C program to find largest of two numbers using conditional operator. C program to find largest of two numbers using if-else statement. If-else, okay, start. Int A, B, answer, enter two numbers, address of A, address of B. If A is more than B, then true block works, else false block works. This is if-else. Machine will check the condition. If it is true, true block works, otherwise false block works. Any one of them works, not both. That's fine. Now suppose if A is greater than B, A will be stored in answer. If A is not greater than B, then B will be stored in answer. Okay, let's take the same example. Enter two numbers 10 and 5. 10 is greater than 5? Yeah, 10 will be stored. This part will not work. Largest number is 10. If you enter 10 and 50, 10 is greater than 50? 10 is greater than 50? No. Then answer equals 50. Largest number is 50. You may enter any two numbers. We get a correct result. Okay. One more last example. C program to find largest of three numbers. Okay, whether can you try that program? Okay, I explain. C program to find largest of three numbers using conditional operator. Oh, sir, largest of three numbers, sir, using conditional operator. Yeah, it is so easy. Int a, b, c. We need one extra variable. Enter three numbers. Okay, a, b, c. First, what I do, you know, I find the largest of first two. I find the largest of first two. Assume that I entered 1, 2, 3. 1 is greater than 2. 1 is greater than 2. No. No means 2 will be given. 2 is stored in answer. Means first I calculated the largest of first two. I stored in answer. Now answer is having largest of first two. That one I compare with third. Largest of first two I am comparing with third. Answer is having 2. 2 is greater than 3. No. No means C will be given back. Means that 2 overrides with 3. Previously it was having 2. It overrides with 3. Largest number is 3. I explain slowly. A, B, C variables. Answer is also empty. Enter three numbers. 1, 2, 3. 1 is greater than 2? No. No. 2 will be given back. Answer is having 2. Answer is having 2. Next answer. 2. 2 is greater than 3? No. It returns 3. 3 where it stores? In answer only. Previously answer was 2, but it is overwritten by 3. Largest number is 3. You may enter any values. We get correct results. Okay. C program to find largest of three numbers using simple if. I assume first number is the largest. I assume first number is the largest, whatever that might be. If second is more than assumed one, I replace that one with answer. Similarly, if third one is more than assumed one, I replace. At the end, largest number will be there. Take this example. I entered 1, 2, 3. In answer 1 will be stored. What is the answer? 1. B is how much? 2. 2 is greater than 1? Yeah. That 1 is overwritten with 2. Next 3. 3 is greater than 2? Yeah. Answer overwrites with by new value 3. Largest number is 3. How many times I used simple if here? 2 times. Okay. This is what how to find largest of three numbers using simple if. Okay. If you have any doubts, please you can ask. Oh, I explained many things to you. Now you have the full capability to answer the question, what are C tokens? List and discuss in brief. What are keywords you have to explain? What are keywords you have to explain? Give examples. My first lecture video. What are identifiers you have to define? Give examples and write rules for defining identifiers. Constants. Today we discussed what are constants, types of constants. Give example. And what are strings and give example. What are special symbols and give examples. What are operators and give examples. Oh my god, sir, 8 marks is very less, sir. Please give more marks. No problem. Teachers will give more marks. But they may ask separate questions also. What are identifiers? What are keywords? Write no more, write less. Don't write less, please write more. Thank you. Have a nice day. Please comment, share my lecture videos with other college friends also. Okay, and don't forget to write the comments. I welcome all your comments happily. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care.